camera. Hey, you want to record me doing a gainer?
Yeah.
No, you just will you come up top so you can see it?
Is anyone coming off?
It's cooler.
All right, hey girls, don't go yet.
Alright. Me and Charlie's gonna do a gainer and I'm gonna do a California flip. No, guys, we're gonna do that thing where we all like jump. Mr. Mark. Jump off. When you tape it, go right here and then tape me going down to
No, I'll do it from the side.
Alright, you ready? Wait. Make sure you get my whole flip.
All right, so wait a minute, you're gonna go.
I'm gonna run and then do a flip.
All right, everybody get out of the way.
Yeah. You ready?
All right. I missed him going down.
Watch, are you ready?
Missed him?
Well, he dropped so quick.
Watch, ready? Do it again. You ready?
All right, I got you.
Oh, scared. Oh well. Wait. All right, that's how I was. There.
Woo! That was good. Who's going next? Caroline, go ahead and show that. I'll send it to your mom so she
All
can
I
see
do
it.
is just stand.
I know, but just this is the first time she's jumped off. No, I mean today is. No? Are you going on?
No, there's a watch.
Oh, I thought you were going on.
Wait, I'm gonna go off. Are you ready? No, we're gonna do that thing where like.
All right, I gotta go help. I gotta go help your dad.
You ready? I'm doing a belly flop flip. That's where you go like this and then flip. Watch out. Alright, you ready? Watch out. Ready? You're clear. Ready?
All right, Lily.
What's up? Alright, watch out. Go, Lily.
Hey, you going, baby?
Yeah. Wait, but what about Mr. Dave?
Go ahead, hurry up, and I'll go help him.
Let's go.
Come on, hurry. All right, hurry, and then I gotta go help Mr. Dave.
That gave me the biggest waste.
I got you. Go.